Looking for something really quick and amazing to prepare in your own kitchen for dinner? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, you will have dinner ready in a flash with spicy shrimp and cabbage with ramen. So let's get started. Let's cook the ramen. Let's make the amazing sauce. Let's cook the shrimp.
Yep.
Time for the aromatics. Let's build the dish. Ramen's history spans centuries and cultures. Ramen is believed to have originated from Chinese wheat noodles in the 17th century. Chinese immigrants introduced these noodles to Japan as early as the late 1800s. Today, ramen noodles can be found everywhere. Let's get a portion on a plate. Add a squeeze of fresh lime juice. And of course, chopped parsley or cilantro. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. While the succulent shrimp, tender cabbage, and ramen noodles are brought together with a spicy, savory sauce that is second to none. This dish delivers bold and incredible textures all in one bowl. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one quick and amazing meal. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.